So guys, welcome back to Dark Angels Intuition. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back sa mga palaging nagkabang ng mga reading ko. Thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing me. And welcome to my channel. Welcome sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. Hope you like what I'm doing here. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And my Facebook page, Dark Angels Intuition. Please don't forget to like and follow. And of course, kung gusto niyo magpabook ng reading with me, you can go there in my Facebook page. Walang iba, just in my Facebook page and message me, and I'm going to send you the information personally. Okay, so I'm going to do let's dig in with your person, kung ano yung dapat nating malaman sa taong mahal mo, kung sino man yung nasa isip nyo ngayon. Okay, so I'm going to pull an oracle card, Island Time Wellness Oracle card. So, hindi lahat maka-resonate sa reading na to, okay? So, takes what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. I will going to mention zodiac signs. Twin flame connection. Okay, twin flame, yin and yang, zen, balance, union, duality, coupling, complement each other. So let's see, this is a twin flame connection. So everybody who has their twin flame connection, but you know, sometimes may mga tao na nagkakamali talaga sila na they thought that their partner is their twin flame connection, but somehow yun pala is their karmic connection. So may mga pagkakamali. So yung twin flame kasi, yung twin flame is really rare lang yung nangyayari. Rare, hindi siya like soulmate, like you can find it everywhere. Twin flame is very rare mo mahanap. So there is something very much connection from the universe talaga na kung para sa'yo na mahanap mo yung twin flame mo, then mahanap mo. But it's not same as soulmates. Soulmates are everywhere, like known as na nahahanap talaga yung soulmate. Pero yung twin flame hindi. So may mga tao na parang they thought na nahanap nila yung twin flame nila because of the signs. So twin flame and soulmates have particularly merong mga medyo same signs, you know, pero and they thought that twin flame nila yon, but there is no, twin flame is really hard to find. Just to remind you guys, okay? But if you find your twin flame, then you might be itong reading na to is para sa my twin flame connection. What is happening? Okay, so Ace of Pentacles, Chariot card, Three of Swords, Eight of Wands, sudden things na nangyayari dito, unexpectedly. So, feeling ko, there is something that your person, hindi niya alam kung sino yung pipiliin niya dito. Hindi niya alam to go this way or to go that way. So, Three of Swords, merong separation sa inyo dito, as normally, twin flame always have this separation with their twin flame partner. Remind you guys, yung twin flame, hindi lang siya into relationship. Okay? Pwede din siyang hindi magkarelasyon. But it always yin and yang talaga siya. Hindi pwedeng same boy, same guy, same straight. No. Okay? I don't mean anything about same woman. Pwede siyang, kasi ang dapat sa twin flame kasi, ang isa is like really muscular thing, and yung isa is really a parang divine, babae, feminine, and yung isang twin flame niya is dapat masculine. Okay, so dapat ganun kayo, twin flame, hindi pwedeng parehong babae, parehong lalaki. So, Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles, I can see that meron talagang disappointments dito sa sitwasyon. Sa sitwasyon na nangyari. So, very much unexpected to na nangyari. Sobrang merong regret dito. Regret, is it to you or to your person? Check. Tignan nyo kung saan kayo naka-resonate. Sabihin na natin, you are in a healing process this time and sobrang nag-regret ka sa mga sinayang na pagmamahal na binigay mo sa taong ito. Parang ganun yung nakikita ko dito. With this King of Pentacles, that you thought this person, that you thought you could change this person. Yeah. Akala mo na mapabago mo siya, but I can see that dun sa point na you only thought, but it hindi siya nangyayari. You are manifesting this person really to be a part of your life, like magiging forever na talaga kayo. You are very connected because the twin flame connection is here, the Lover's card. So, andun sa point na really moving forward, you really wanted to move forward towards this person, even though napapagod ka na sa kakahintay sa taong ito, really napapagod ka na sa kakahintay, meron talagang umalis dito. Maybe this is your person, meron talagang separation sa inyo dito, and andun ka sa point na you still believe, meron pa rin sa yung feelings that ayusin ko yung buhay ko, and this is what twin flame do. What twin flame do here is like to give you lessons, yun, to learn, and this is what you are doing right now. I'm sorry about that, nabother ako doon sa lumilipad. What you're doing right now is you are having this parang lessons na nalalearn mo being with your twin flame connection. During your separations, meron ng growth na nangyayari. But with your person, andun kasi siya sa point na hindi niya alam this time kung sino siya, kung saan siya patutungo. So, whether this way or that way. Okay? Kasi meron talagang nangyayari sa inyo dito na toxic situation. Lies, unfaithfulness. So, let's clarify ano tong Chariot card. So, I can see a Capricorn sign, Cancer sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. What is this Chariot card? Si your person, madami siyang mga bagay na hindi sinasabi sa iyo at wala siyang balak sabihin to sa iyo, to the point na ito yung kinasakit ng ulo mo talaga, itong sitwasyon na to. Because siguro ang dami niyo nang pinagdaanan, and yet parang feeling mo ang dami niyang tinatago sa iyo, and you keep on asking this person and you keep on finding the truth, pero it give you stress. And andun nga sa point na sobrang disappointed ka. Hindi mo na-appreciate yung mga bagay-bagay dito. With the 8 of Pentacles, and you are very much focused in this connection talaga. To the point, siguro nandun na din na hindi mo alam if you're going to stay in this connection, to wait for this person, or to move forward and never look back. Dahil gusto mo na din talaga ng freedom sa sarili mo. Gusto mo na din talaga na, sige, I will just stay single. I will just enjoy my life. Pero hindi mo yun nagagawa dahil you are very connected to this person because you are twin flame. Nahanap mo siya. So, pag once mahanap mo kasi siya, didikit ka talaga sa kanya. Meron talaga mangyayari sa inyo na parang, we're going to create chaos talaga when it comes into twin flame connection. So, during this separation na meron kayong dalawa, parang hindi ka mapakali. Gusto mo na mag-move on, and you are doing this actually, pero meron pa rin something, a part of you na hinihintay mo pa din siya, na gusto mo pa din na magbago siya, and you are very much disappointed and stressed about what is happening. So, andun sa point that this person, even meron din sa kanyang pride and ego. Parang andun sa kanya, nagmamatigas siya sa mga bagay-bagay. So, ibig sabihin, in this reading, ikaw yung chaser, and your person is the runner, kasi chaser and runner is part of a twin flame connection. So yung chaser yung nakakaalam, siya yung awaken sa connection na to, and the runner is medyo, some of them don't know what is the meaning of twin flame, ano ba yan twin flame, or just wala silang kaalam-alam. So they are the runner here. So ikaw yung chaser because you are the one who know, you are someone that you want a changes for the both of you. So sobrang andun sa point na nawawasak talaga kayo dito ang dalawa. And this person also to the point na masyado siyang, may mga binigay siya sa yung pangako. Andun siya sa point na masyado siyang marunong talagang dumiskarte sa sitwasyon. Alam niya kung paano galawin yung mga bagay-bagay, and then pag hindi niya na kaya, umaalis na lang siya. And that is the runner. And you are the chaser because you want this person to learn. You want this person to learn from his mistake. You want this person to be matured enough to think of himself. Magbago siya kahit para sa sarili niya, hindi lang para sa inyo. Basta because you love this person so much and you want this person to change. But the problem there is, being you and this person are twin flame connection, mahirap. Kasi kung ano yung mga nakikita mo sa kanya na ayaw mo, yun yung ayaw mo din sa sarili mo. So it's really hard na every time you collide, it feels so complete. Yes, it feels so complete. Parang feeling mo, nahanap mo na yung sarili mo. It feels so much amazing. Pero something is really like, parang every time na itong runner na to is gagawa siya ng different way na ayaw mo, kasi parang nagmi-mirroring each other kayong dalawa. There's a lot of parang, ano ba tawag doon? Parang same sa inyong dalawa. Ano yung nakikita mo sa kanya, nakikita mo sa sarili mo. Hindi naman totally sa magkamukha kayo. Some, yes. Pero not totally. Pero you are one soul. Isang soul lang kayong dalawa. So, definitely marami kayong kapareho dalawa. Even sa mga ayaw mo sa sarili mo, nakikita mo sa kanya. And hindi lang ikaw yun na, pati siya. Ganon din siya sa'yo. So, itong separation na meron kayo ngayon, affected din siya dito. Hindi dahil sa wala siyang pakialam, kaya ikaw lang yung affected siya dito because you are a twin flame connection. Okay, so how affected this person is, let's see kung ano yung nararamdaman niya this time sa connection ninyo na ganito. You see how stressed you are? You are very stressed talaga. Sobrang stress ka sa mga nangyayari. Masakit na yung ulo mo, hindi ka nakatulog. You just wanted to have a peace of mind, but this person don't give you peace of mind. So, how about your person? Let's see. Ano yung nararamdaman niya during your separation as a twin flame connection? See, I told you. Very much affected siya. Very much. So, hindi siya nakatulog sa gabi. So, hindi siya nakakatulog sa gabi talaga sa mga nangyayari sa inyo dito. And doon siya sa point that alam niyang sobrang you are in love with each other talaga. You are very much connected to each other. And gusto niya even na magkaayos na kayong dalawa. Pinagdadasal niya talaga to na magkaayos na kayong dalawa. Gusto niya yung mangyari. But the problem there is, na-trap nga siya sa sitwasyon. Because when you are in a twin flame connection, hindi din mawawala yung cheating doon. This is part of your test as a twin flame connection. So, yun nga sabi ko sa inyo, soulmate is better than twin flame connection. So, sobrang trap siya talaga sa sitwasyon. Sobrang ipit na ipit siya. Hindi kayo nag-uusap talaga ng taong ito. Merong cold situation sa inyo, but he really want na magkaayos na kayong dalawa. Pero, ang problema din dito, pwede niya naman gawin yon. But the problem here is, may pride and ego sa kanya. Mataas yung tingin niya sa sarili niya. May pride siya. Like, sa mga nangyari sa inyo, parang mas pinapaano niya, yung pinapairal niya yung ego niya, yung pride niya sa sarili niya. So, nagkaroon talaga kayo ng cold connection this time. Because of what happened, merong fight na nangyari sa inyo, and it's normal sa twin flame connection. Fight, separation, meron talaga yun, hindi yan mawawala. If you are telling that you and your partner are twin flame connection, yet walang nangyayaring fight sa inyo, you are not twin flame connection. If you are telling na with your partner that this is my twin flame connection, pero wala pang nangyayaring separation, on and off connection, away sa inyo, hindi yun twin flame connection mo. Okay? So, with this 8 of Pentacles, andun sa point that, feeling ko dito that he is also, nandun siya sa point na gusto niya na mag-focus this time talaga. Gusto niya na mag-focus. Siya yung nagkamali. Siya talaga yung nagkaroon ng iba. So, with this Ace of Swords, he wanted to communicate with you, to have a new beginning with you, even nagkakaroon din sa kanya dito ng realization about offering you a new beginning. And this person really thinking about or wanted to do an action na to decide towards it. Alam niya naman na mahal mo siya. Alam niya yun. And alam niyang nagmamahalan kayong dalawa. There's just something being in a twin flame connection na hindi talaga kayo nagkiklik. Dahil nga may mga bagay dito sa inyo na may mga flows sa kanya na hindi talaga, sometimes might be universe just giving you tests. Kasi being in a twin flame connection na meron talaga mga bagay na kailangan ninyong matutunan as a twin flame connection. Okay, so meron cheating talaga na nangyari dito. Meron cheating and sobrang mabigat na problema na pinagdaanan kayo dalawa as a connection, as a twin flame. So, parang naging imbalance kayong dalawa. Kasi when we talk about twin flame, kailangan matutunan nyo paano magbalanse ng sitwasyon na hindi na aasa yung isa sa isa, na hindi na kailangan na mag-rely yung isa sa ka-twin flame connection niya. Dapat both of you, even if you are together, both of you know how to live separately or individually, na hindi nyo na kailangan ng yung isa't isa para ma-solve yung problem ng isa. You know, ganun ka-balance ng kailangan. Yung union ninyo, ganun yung needed, na kaya ninyo mabuhay. Kahit magkahiwalay man kayo, kaya na ninyong mabuhay ng ganun. Okay, so, complement each other because you have a lot of same situation na nangyari, same things na nangyari. Kaya you are complementing each other. Ibig sabihin, memories, okay? There's a lot of memories here, kaya ang hirap makalimutan, ang hirap, lalo na with this twin flame connection, there is really love involved. So, napakahirap talaga nito, kasi ito yung tinatawag na twin soul talaga. Kasi may love involved. Lalo na sa part sa'yo, mas mahirap sa'yo kasi you are the chaser here. Okay. So, ito yung nangyayari sa kanya. Nahirapan din siya. Nahirapan siya sa kakaisip sa'yo. May mga regrets sa kanya. And even na hindi siya nakatulog sa gabi. But the problem here is, hindi mo nakikita yun sa kanya. Kasi nga hindi kayo nag-uusap dalawa. And parang, ando sa point na may ego, may pride and ego din sa kanya. Yung, alam mo yung nahihirapan siya sa kalooban niya, pero yung panlabas niya, hindi mo nakikita sa kanya na nasasaktan din siya, na hindi din siya nakakatulog dahil sa'yo. Yun yung mahirap. So, let's see. May plano ba siya na ayusin yung connection ninyong dalawa to have a union once again? Let's see. Medyo hihintayin mo pa, medyo mapapagod ka pa talaga sa paghihintay sa taong ito kung kailan siya gagalaw, kung kailan niya ipaglaban yung relationship ninyo. Having this high standard kind of person, having this ma-pride na tao, mahirap. Lalo na kung naghiwalay kayo, nag-away talaga kayo. Parang merong pride talaga sa taong ito. Although he wanted to fight for this, even he wanted to fight for this connection with the 7 of Wands here, but the problem there is like, mapapagod ka talaga sa kakahintay kung kailan yung new beginning na mangyayari dito sa inyong dalawa. Isa pa, I think yung tukso nandyan talaga sa kanya. Like, this person, this kind of person, parang hindi siya sabihin na madaming nagkakagusto sa kanya. He can communicate. He love to communicate everyone. You know what I mean? Maano siya talaga. Hindi man sabihin na cheater, hindi man sa ganun, pero maano siya sa mga tao. Friendly, love to explore people. Parang busy siyang tao. Alam mo yung ganung mga bagay. So, mapapagod ka talaga sa kahintay sa taong ito. Because, sa tingin ko, ang mostly na needed ng lesson dito, itong person na to, talaga. Your connection, like, universe brings you to your twin flame connection because this person really need to learn some lessons. With the Page of Pentacles here, is I can see na sobrang madidisappoint ka talaga. Sobrang madidisappoint ka and magsisisi ka talaga dito. Parang andun ka sa point na sinayang mo lang yung in-offer ko na pagmamahal ko sa'yo sa mga pangako mo na wala palang kwenta, na wala pala. So, I think this connection was going to end. You know, with the Death card here. Meron talagang ending na mangyayari dito. Pero, ibig sabihin, yung separation ninyo dalawa, matagal pa bago kayo magkaayos ulit dalawa. Yung cheating nandito pa din sa kanya. Sabi ko nga kanina, 'di ba? Nakikita ko sa kanya yung mahilig siya mag-explore ng tao sa kung saan man lang, social media, personal. So, kaya niyang maibisi yung utak niya, not the same as you are, who is very much focused on him or her, or in this connection na gusto mo talaga sana na bumalik na siya sa'yo at realize his or her mistakes and ayusin niya na yung buhay niya, ayusin niya na yung connection ninyo, but mapapagod ka sa kakahintay. Kasi honestly, yung twin flame connection kasi sometimes hindi na talaga nagkakabalikan. Sometimes yung separation ng twin flame connection is nabavanish na lang talaga at hindi na nagkakabalikan pa. May mga ganon. Meron din mga matagal pa talaga, like years pa talaga yung separation bago sila mag-collide again. May mga ganon din. So, what you think, what you need to know about this connection? Ooh. Alam mo, itong ending ninyong dalawa, this is what you need to know. Sorry about that. With your twin flame connection, it's very much magically. Kasi, itong separation ninyong dalawa, ano yung lesson na kailangan mong i-learn dito? Is just, hindi mo kailangan na mag-focus lang sa sitwasyon ninyo or sa kanya para ayusin siya. As a twin flame connection, kailangan mo din ayusin yung buhay mo. Ito na yung growth na hinihintay mo para sa sarili mo. Na ma-realize mo na mas importante na ayusin ko yung sarili ko bago yung iba. Mas importante na I will going to prioritize myself kaysa sa iba na hindi man lang nakikita yung worth ko. Yun. This person will still going to come back into your life, and this is what you need to know. It's all cups and it's all offer. Okay, ready to offer the love towards with you because he still love you and will going to offer you the love. And dito sa point na merong pa chance that this person will going to learn from his mistakes as your twin flame connection or learn from his or her lesson, and meron pang celebration na mangyayari sa connection ninyong dalawa, and everything will going to have a changes and rebirth. Okay, death card doesn't always mean death card or death or ending. It also means a rebirth. Okay, like sabihin natin na bagong buhay, bagong story, rebuilding a relationship, parang rebuilding a new empire, and hindi na ibabalik yung noon kasi medyo matagal pa to, parang matagal pa kayo bago kayo magka-collide once again. Kasi sa kakahintay mo sa kanya, magkakaroon pa din ng new beginning dito. So, ang lessons dito sa sitwasyon na, this is what you need to know. Ang lesson dito sa relasyon na to, sa situation or sa twin flame connection na to is, dahil nga nakikita ko dito na medyo maghihintay ka pa, mapagod ka pa sa kakahintay, sa kakalaban, sa relasyon ninyo, kung kailan siya babalik at ayusin to, at kung bakit pinipigilan siya ng pride and ego niya, kung bakit parang nandyan yung high pride niya, or sabihin natin na ito yung dahilan kung bakit gustuhin niya man na ipaglaban yung relasyon ninyo, pero may mga bagay na, may mga tukso talagang dumadating sa kanya na nagpapapigil din ng pagbabalik sa'yo dahil binibisi siya sa mga kailangan niyang gawin sa buhay niya. And dahil para sa'yo to learn from this situation na yung kanina na sinabi ko na ma-prioritize mo din yung sarili mo. Kasi during this time, sa pagbabalik ng connection ninyong dalawa, nandun na sa point na you have already learned from your lessons. So, kaya mo na siyang harapin this time to have a rebirth. So, we never know that time, kasi nandito din sa sinabi dito, with the King of Pentacles. This time, from the King of Wands to the King of Pentacles, is binago na din siya ng tadhana para sa'yo. That is the connection. Andun sa point na baka there is a plan na you are, with the Hierophant here, might be you are really meant to be. And this is parang itong separation ninyo is a way para matuto kayo sa isa't isa separately, para may mga mangyayari sa inyong lessons to learn individually, not for your connection, might be for the other connection na mangyayari, until sa when you are already ready for each other, ready na kayo, matured enough na kayo na harapin yung mga bagay-bagay, is i-collide kayo once again to have a rebirth. Okay, to have a rebirth. So, ibig sabihin, the cycle has already ended and have a changes in your new twin flame connection, na ito na yung union ninyong dalawa. So, may union na mangyayari talaga dito. So, pinapatibay nito yung loob mo. Kasi mapagod ka sa kakahintay sa connection na to the point na mag-heal ka. You will going to take the leap of faith towards a new beginning of your life, dahil you will going to accept the fact na wala na talaga kayo. Wasak na. You will going to heal. You will going to have your judgment here. Mamimiss mo siya. And he or she will going to stay connected to you talaga. Connected to you talaga until sa point na magiging strong person ka, until sa makapag-move on ka, until sa maging empress ka, until sa you have already moved on and focus in yourself. Bago siya bumalik, bago siya ibalik, okay, for the union. So, ang ganda. Oh my God, I read you the whole story. Let's see a iron love message here. Boundaries. You need to teach people how to treat by you being clear on what you will and won't allow. So, you put boundaries, or might be sinasabi dito that you need to put boundaries. Siguro in your past, kasi I didn't see the past here. Nagdiretso tayo present to the near future and future, right? So, maybe in your past, sobra kang nagbigay, sobra kang palaging nag-umiintindi, kahit nag-aaway na kayo palagi, until siguro sa point na nagkaroon kayo ng separation, dahil hindi mo na alam kung anong gagawin dito, until sa may separation na nangyari sa iyo, sa sobrang disappointment. So, maybe you put boundaries, and might be nandun sa point na hindi mo na hinayaan na ganunin ka na lang niya. So, unconditional love. The love between you and your person is eternal. Nothing and no one can take it away from you. So, this is the twin flame connection. So, that is my reading for you. Thank you and God bless.